1 Kaizer Chiefs, 2 Orlando Pirates. Sanibona bafethu, so namhlanje ukhuluma ama-positives nama-negatives yale game. Sibonile-ke sowathotaphe namhlanje lapho khona besibona ama-team awu-2. One of the best teams in Africa, Kaizer Chiefs and Orlando Pirates. Bekuyisoweto derby yesibili-ke le yade idlalwa ilama-team awu-2 kwi-league phase. Mesikhumbula kahle igame yokuqala ilapho khona iOrlando Pirates eyawina against iKaizer Chiefs. Baphinde bakuphinda-ke lokho namhlanje ngoba bayiwinile bawathatha amaphuzu awu-3. So bona next week kwi-final ye-Nedbank Cup uthi yiphi enye team ezowina. Jose Rivero-ke usoqopha umlando, ucoach usewine ama-Soweto derbies ayi-5 in a row. Soweto derbies ayi-5 in a row. Asazi-ke noma uzoyiwina yini ye-6 asazi, but-ke ngizokhuluma ama-positive nama-negatives yale game kwi-side Orlando Pirates indlela i-approach yakhona igame. Starting nge-first 11 ye-Orlando Pirates. I-first 11 obvious bekuvemba uChayne, uXoki, uMbokazi, uShandu noMarco, yabo wona ama-defenders woyi-4 lawo. Introduce kwaShanda Mfuqamanga, ukufakwa kwaShanda kule game leyo ekuyiqaleni kwakhe. Mfuqama, I was really disappointed with the decision esathiwa ucoach, yabo. Okay, enombokazi abajide bangidlalele kamnandi at the back mase siya esiswini uMakhawula Imbatha, mase lapha kuma forwards uNkota, uHotho, Mfukeng, uMahop. Yabo, let me talk about this player starting with uSipho Chene. uSipho Chene kule game bafethu, he was very good. He was very good, especially kwi-first half. Kwi-first half babe namathuba amaningi labajida laba. Babe namathuba amaningi. Yes, he was caught sleeping ngalela goal elikoro uLilepo lokuqala. Yabo, I spoke about uLilepo coming to this game. uLilepo is that kind of player ongasinikeza inkinga. Simbonile ke namhlanje uthole igoli. Yabo, isasuka nje lapha simbonile uMarco ehluleka ukuvala uSolomons. Washaya dribbling, waphasela uLilepo wakhela ibhola langena nethini. Yabo, uSipho Chene was caught sleeping, but-ke throughout the game uSipho Chene ukwazile ukuregain confidence, wakwazi ukuyisiza Orlando Pirates. Silibonile leli thuba balitholile lapha on the left hand side. Sesibona uMbokazi eshaya ibhola licishe lingene nethini, cishe kubi on goal. uSipho Chene was there to save Orlando Pirates. Yabo, sithanda ukubona goalkeeper benza kanje. Yabo, goalkeeper nje bethu engathi bakhombisa kanje ukuthi bayilwela i-team. Ukhombise namhlanje ukuthi uyayilwela i-team throughout the game. Yes, second half abamnikezanga amathuba amaningi. Kaizer Chiefs ayi-attack kanganiki i-Orlando Pirates, yabo. But iKaizer Chiefs ithe iqala igame, Kaizer Chiefs ikwazile ukubamba umdlalo. Yabo, ikwazile ukubamba umdlalo. Nje Orlando Pirates ibilele for me. For me, Orlando Pirates ibilele. The first 20 minutes of the game, Orlando Pirates was dead. Yabo, we were dead. Kaizer Chiefs was all over us, even though sikwazile ukuyiwina le game le. But iqinisho lihle kumele sisho first half nje Kaizer Chiefs ibingenhla kwi-Orlando Pirates, yabo. Into engayisho ngeKaizer Chiefs, umfana omncane uMduduzi Shabalala, feel like lo mfana lo kuningi ekumele bamqeqeshe ngakhona. Yabo, kuningi kumele bamqeqeshe ngakhona. Ama games akanje mefuna ukuyodlala phesheya, kuningi akumele akushintshe ngendlela yokudlala kwakhe. Indlela yokudlala kwakhe namhlanje nimbona indlela adlala ngakhona umfana. Ndibona indlela adlala ngakhona. There were many balls awaluzile lapha eswini. Yabo, uMbatha ube all over the young boy. Khulume ngoMbokazi noThapelo Xhoki namhlanje. Yo, Mbokazi noThapelo Xhoki abajide bangidlalele kamnandi bafethu. Bangidlalele kamnandi. Bengiqala ukubona i-combination yabo namhlanje bedlala together, but today they displayed ibhola elimangazayo. Thapelo Xhoki ama-fans amaningi abemxeka, but today he showed it's Orlando Pirates kumele yenze njani going forward. Yabo, ama-set pieces, they defended ama-set pieces kahle. Yabo, batatazelanga because the Chiefs ibe nama-set pieces amaningi, but we showed namhlanje ukuthi no man, this is the way ama-team amaningi akora ngakhona when they play against us. We must defend low ma-set piece lawo. Today they showed ukuthi kahle cha, Kaizer Chiefs akumele ithola amagoli amaningi ngama-set piece. Sikwazile ukuthi singa-concede amagoli aze bemabili. Wabuya-ke uLord Makgopa namhlanje ungidlalele kamnandi uMakgopa. Mfuqamanga Makgopa namhlanje ungidlalele kamnandi umjida namhlanje ukhombisile why ehlezi ethola ischeme ahead of uMabasa. Today he showed the whole world, he showed the whole fan base of Orlando Pirates why we choose uMakgopa over uMotsekhophazi uMabasa. Makgopa namhlanje was really good, and he was the man of the match of the game la idlala namhlanje. Imagine ukudlala kwakhe kumnikezile i-man of the match award. Yabo, ngokwami mina bengingayinikeza futhi uMfukeng man of the match award. Now ukhombisile second half, even though I didn't see much of him first half. Yabo, uMfukeng ngimbonanga a lot kwi-first half because uqala as number 10. Yabo, kule game uqala as number 10. Lapha eswini uMfukeng ubengakutholi ukuphumula because bekhona uMart, ubekhona funa lo mfana lo uNgcobo belithatha kakhulu ibhola kuMfukeng. uNgcobo udlalile namhlanje, yabo. So ucoach ubonile second half uthi no man, we we need to put Mofokeng far wide lapho khona ezothola khona ibhola create ama chances for Orlando Pirates. Sibonile ke second half ucoach ukwazile ukuyi-approach kahle second half ampush umfana ayele wide. Ilapho khona sesimbona ezama ukuhlupha uKwinika. Ubalo wamfana lo yabo lo weKaizer Chiefs bamhluphile ke Mofokeng wa create ama chances salithola igoli lesibili yabo. Ngizokhuluma ngoNkota for me Nkota angazi noma mina yedwa yena uNkota kule game ungidlalele kahle uNkota. Inkinga bekumele athola more goals for me uNkota. I feel like bekumele akore noma 2 goals kule game. Angazi noma mina yena ubeloko emhlupha lo mfana lo Cross uzowathola ired card nje ngoba beloko emhlupha uCross eloko emchukuluzela eloko engena bekumele athole noma 2 goals or 3 goals le game le. I feel like second half simosha amathuba amaningi second half, but ke at least siwini le game sitholile u3 points. That's what I like about the game le. At least we won and we got 3 points kule game le. Yonke ebalekile, yonke sidingayo. Next game sodlala against Golden Arrows. Golden Arrows le game le I see uDlamini iqala le game because uTalente bathi ngiyazi akwazi ukuyidlala. Uthole yellow card le game le. So next game ngiyazi abe khona umchita. Yabo, uDlamini ungenile mfethu second half wenza izinto zenzeke. Orlando Pirates iqalile ukudlala ibhola second half. Qalile sadlala ibhola second half. First half yes bezama but first half bethi ibhola le Orlando Pirates belifile first half. Ungena kwaDlamini kuyishintshile indlela yokudlala Orlando Pirates yabo. And kungijabulisile ukubona abafana abancane beintroduce uJose Rivero. Simbonile uSelepe namhlanje umfana omncane ubedlala lapha eswini. Ubonile what first touch lo mfana lo. Ubonile first touch lo mfana lo. Kuningi lo mfana sawusinikeza kona. Kuyangijabulisa ukubona abafana abancane. Ukhishiwe uShandu kwafaka uNdlozi was really good. Indlela adlala yakho uNdlozi. Why uNdlozi engayithola igame time asazi. Why uNdlozi engayiqalanga le game. Kuba uqalile le game uNdlozi. Ngabe Orlando Pirates mhlambi wine amagoli amaningi. Umjidi uyadlala kule right back position. Coach nikeza uNdlozi igame time. uNdlozi kumele ayithole igame time. Simbonile uRadio Bane namhlanje. uRadio Bane he showed ukuthi umfana unehunger. Yabo, these young players they showed. They were given ithuba kule game le. Even though they played ama-minutes amancane, mina I like to see ama young players ekhombisa kanje emkhombo coach say coach I need ithuba mina uthi ngidlale ngikhombise ukuthi ngidlala kanjani. Yabo, even though uRadio Bane engadlala ama-minutes amaningi, but we saw indlela adlala ngakhona umjidi. Uthi no man, this guy kumele ayithole, uyayideserve a chance. Yabo, uyayideserve impela i-chance uRadio Bane naye mfethu. This guy Selepe, yes, I haven't seen much of him, but I saw some few touches. The way he controls himself lapha eswini. Indlela uyakwazi ukucheck icoast me receive ibhola mfethu akatatazeli. Yonke sidingayo leyo. Yabo. But wena ungangitshela ngokwakho ukuthi le game le wena ngokwakho ibi kanjani? Yabo, mina ngokwami Orlando Pirates ingidlalele kahle engathi singaqhubeka sidlale kanje second leg. Yabo, not second leg per se but kwi final. Masiqhubeka idlale kanje singawamosha amathuba esiwathola. I feel like today simosha amathuba amaningi. Singawamosha amathuba siwasebenzise. Kaizer Chiefs ayisinikezanga umzimba omningi second half. Abo ayisinikezanga nje umzimba omningi second half. Ngifuna uqamba ngokwakho ungangitshela ama comments uva neSports.